Bitcoin rejected a key area of resistance, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's see if we can get 10 likes in this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. As you guys can see on Bitcoin yesterday, we were talking about this possible U formation happening on Bitcoin. You can see we did get above that resistance level at 19.5, but we failed to break above, get to that $20,000 mark that I was hoping for, and we saw a beautiful rejection pattern right here on Bitcoin with this bearish engulfing candle. You can see we retested the highs once more right at that 19.6, grab that liquidity, and then push further back down, retesting the lows of 19.1. So what's next for Bitcoin? Well, simply put, we can actually be looking at a possible consolidation zone like we saw over here multiple times around this level, and hoping for the fact that we might be able to see one last push to around that $20,000 mark before we reject back to 18.8. Or scenario B, of course, is we break right back down to 18.8, capitulate back all the way down to 17,900, our major double bottom formation, or even the 17.6, and kind of see how we can play it from there. Right now on the 4 hour, you can see that Bitcoin is rejecting the exponential moving averages. We broke below the exponential moving averages and now trading below it with rejection candles happening as well. So this usually indicates a more bearish confirmation and a more downside potential for Bitcoin. Of course, on the lower time frames though, you can see that we have rejected and confirmed the fact that we are now trading much lower. You can see that we broke below this level right here at 19.5. You can see on the lower time frames on the hourly, we tried to break above that multiple times. We had around 6 candlesticks trying to break above. The bulls could not take control of this level, and again we rejected to that downside, saw that confirmation break. We didn't get that retest confirmation we were looking for on the hourly. We actually got a break below. This was probably that retest confirmation where a lot of traders were looking at, and were rejected, and again faked out all the way back down to around the $19,000 mark before we finally rebounded. Now some of you guys might be looking at this candlestick and saying, okay, well, isn't this a bullish momentum because on the hourly we followed through? No, because the fact that we're still trading below the exponential moving averages with the lack of volume, this invalidates that candlestick, right? You don't want to be trading with these candlesticks only. You want to be trading with the overall picture, and right now Bitcoin is looking more and more bearish on the hourly time frames. You can see a much clearer picture. A lot of traders are hoping for that U-shaped formation. You guys can kind of see how it plays out, or even that cup and handle formation that kind of looks like something like this. But for that cup and handle to be completed, we should have traded around to that $20,000 mark before we push to the downside, right? Right now we're still not in that area for us to take a long position because again we haven't had that proper confirmation. I told you guys in yesterday's video that it's going to be very important for Bitcoin to try to break above to that 19.5, find it as support, and then a strong bullish candlestick. We had that 19.5 support, but we didn't get that strong bullish candlestick. You can see right here we had a double wick formation over here at 19.6, rejected, tried to take that push again, rejected, and then we fell back down. So now looking at it overall, we can see that the next support level will be around that $18,200 mark for a potential bounce, or we capitulate much lower to the 17,600 for that potential double bottom formation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have